What if I told you right now, you, yes, you, okay, the one that is listening, that you can do almost anything with enough practice and enough study? Well, yeah, yeah. Well, you're right. People can do a lot of things if you study and practice. But even though they know this, even though we know this, we don't do it. We don't study different things. We don't practice a lot of things. We are too centered in one stuff. We don't do a lot of other activities for us to discover what else are we good at. So that's the point of the channel. Hello, I am foreigner. As you notice, I am not American, but I love this country and I live here right now. I pretty much had to learn English by myself. Pretty much, I finished high school here, so I had to learn English because if it wasn't for that, I wouldn't be able to graduate. So yeah, I graduated and I hate my job. Okay, I I want to do more things. I don't know what to do. If you ask me what I want to study in college when I'm able to pay for college, I don't know. I won't have an idea. Some people must say, "Oh, I want to do something with health. Oh, I want to do I want to be an engineer or like computer programming." I'm like, I don't know, no idea. So yeah, why not making a YouTube channel about self-learning a lot of things just to discover what the limitations of humankind. So what did I choose to learn first? Yeah, you guessed it, animation. I'm not talking about like Cartoon Network or Disney animation. I'm talking about like um, storytelling animation. Okay, I've been doing a lot of investigation about this because I love cartoons. I always loved cartoons, and there's a community on YouTube. I think there are no storytelling animators. Let me just show you really quick how amazing this is. Just look at it. If you go to YouTube, you can just you can just find let me see. We have the ice cream sandwich. I love this guy. He's like super funny. 1.8 million subscribers. Domix, she's been around for a long time. 7 million subscribers. Jaiden from Jaiden Animation, she's like the queen of animation. 10 million subscribers. We have the odd one out. He's like the goat. He's like really old. I love his Subway videos because I also worked on Subway. James, hey, call up. Who knows? Maybe you want to teach me something, huh? You can be my teacher, my senpai. Who knows? I worked at Subway like for 7 months. Um, let me see. Oh, Adam from Something Else to IT, 4 million subscribers. I really like his sense of humor. I think like he and I will be great friends. Hey, hey, who knows? Who knows? Maybe if I learn animation and make a really good video, they will notice me. They will notice a foreigner, a normal, simple guy like me that knows nothing about anything, pretty much. And hey, we can hang out. I would like to hang out with them. I want to hang out with them. I want to play video games and um, I want to meet Ari. If you don't know like who Ari is, I recommend watching Jaiden's videos. Ari's a bird. It's like the cutest bird alive. Um, I've been watching a lot of their videos and I really like them. I fell in love with them, and it's close to like what I want to do. I want to be able to share my opinions, share my voice to a different way other than just talking to a camera. So yeah, I think like the first thing I want to do is learning how to animate. Pretty much how this channel will be. I will choose a topic. I will choose a subject. I will learn about it, practice, make videos about it, and all of that work will be just to do like a final project. The final project for animation will be making a video, upload it to YouTube, and the goal, this is a challenge, is to have one of these people having Dominics, Ice Cream Sandwich, Jaden, James, Adam, Ginger Bell is a cool guy too. Um, of many others, I can pretty much spend the whole day talking about a lot of animators that I really like. One of I just want one of them to comment on my channel. Good job, kiddo. I just wanted to say that. Good job. I like this. Let's take it a step further. I want to I don't know, maybe mention this channel in like Twitter or like one of their videos, right? Like I want to be the proof that anyone can be an animator because they said it. They said like these people say it themselves. With good practice, good studies, people can do a lot. So that's what I want. My goal for these videos will be learning how to make a 2 minute, like a 2 to 3 minutes animation, post it on YouTube, and have one of them to comment on my YouTube channel. And it will be mean a lot if you guys will help me with this. Please subscribe and like this video. Subscribe to this channel. For me to keep doing this, I want to be the proof that a foreigner, anyone can do it. If I can do it, a lot of people can do it. Okay. So I took a little time to learn a little bit about animation. I'm using Adobe Animate. Is it Animate or Flash? I don't know. I googled it. They said Animate, and I am not paying for the subscription actually. I'm doing like a free trial per se. My brother has an account for this because he's studying digital arts in high school. So he has a free access to Adobe. So I'm using it on his behalf. So that's amazing. Thank you, bro. And one of my friends lent me a pen display. So yeah, I pretty much made my character. This is Foreigner right here. Just going to explain why I chose to draw him as a character and why am I doing this? Because oh lord, I love this guy. Okay, so just look at him. Come on. We have the green eyes. My favorite color is green. We have a paper bag on his head. Pretty much like that's why I'm using this. I'm ugly, alright. Um, I pretty much ugly, so I don't want people to see my face, so that's how I do it. Let's take it like the hidden beauty that people cannot understand. Okay, something like that. Like I'm not ugly, just people cannot understand my beauty. I'm diabetic, so I have I drew him with a long sleeve with carbs labeled on it, and A1C written on his paper bag. A1C, I it's pretty much like the average glucose in my body, and like if it's really like if it's like above 7, it's high. If it's below, if it's at 7, it's perfect. If it's like below 7, like below 6, like 6 or 5, that's dangerous because it's really low as well. Anyways, I already made a diabetes video practicing with this, but I don't like that. I don't take that in count. I don't count that as an animation video. So I I will take that and I will take this as how I started. Okay. You want to check out more of my little, you know, crazy drawings and videos? There's like 3 or 4 on my channel already. They're not the best, but hey, I know nothing about this, but I want you, and I will learn about this to make enough for my next video or like the one after that. I don't know. I don't know. But anyways, a long story short, I want this to happen. Uh, I want this YouTube, I want this YouTube channel to be the proof that normal people can change the definition of being normal because normal doesn't mean boring. Okay. Um, I mean, I don't consider myself a boring person. I mean, come on. Is this working? Hello? Yes, it is working. Hey, uh, sorry, I just I'm not you. I talk to myself a lot, so sometimes I don't know if the microphone is on or not. But uh, I want friends. But okay, I don't care. This is my character. This is Foreigner. Foreigner is the channel. I am Foreigner too. Um, I'm really hoping for this channel to go well. This is gonna be this video will be short. It's just pretty much an introduction of what I'm going to do. What I'm gonna be doing in my next video will be focusing more of the process of animation and how to do it. And well, not how to do it, just me learning how to do it. And hey, who knows? Maybe I can be the next generation of storytelling animators because it's 2021. Okay, many of the greatest YouTube channels they've been around for a long time. And all of them came out like almost on the same year, like a year or two of difference. It's time for a new generation to come up, and I want to be part of it. And I need you guys to help me subscribing by subscribing and liking this video. So guys, um, thank you so much for bearing with me. And I know this was like a boring video, but the next one will not be. This is more of an introduction of this channel, what I want for the channel, and what I will need from you guys to help me. I will be posting more often. I plan to post like weekly videos, twice a week, maybe like that, and we can make this work. All right. And if you can already start commenting like tips of how to animate, of how to draw characters, or like what should I learn next, like for me to have a list already. So maybe something you would like to learn, or something like you always wanted to learn, but thought that you will never be able to do so. I want to prove you wrong. I want to prove that we can do a lot of things because there's not a lot. We don't have a long time to live, and we need to do the best at living. We need to do a lot. We need to do, we need to just live a good life. And I take living a good life of learning as many things as possible, being boring or not. But thank you for watching this video. I am Foreigner. Remember, learning is good, and anybody can learn. And we'll see you in the next video.